today's episode,
I jump up and down.
we're giving the Mazda a wash and we're going to have a look at the Mark II.
Can you see the Mark II?
Can't see the Mark II.
That's the Mark II.
So if you haven't watched our last video yet, you can watch it up here or here, not too sure how it works. And make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe, because we're trying to get to 1,000 likes or 1,000 subscribers
1K
before the end of the year.
Everybody's trying to get free. Everybody's trying to
So there's a Honda helping a Volkswagen. Yeah, there's a problem.
Probably why the battery ain't charging.
Well, I'll put it this way. The battery was in there and working fine before these cunts got their hands on it. But it's okay, because I'm here to help out. So it's very speed friendly. Anyway, enough about that car. This is cool. It's all about this Volkswagen. So we're going to get up on the lift and see what's actually going on with it.
Tallest man in the garage. Smallest gap in the garage.
Yeah. Didn't think that one through the Marty.
I'll try open the sunroof.
That's what I'm here for.
The actually right through. You can just stand up the sunroof though, because it's, you know, so one of those things doesn't leak until you open it.
I have an idea, Marty.
Don't do that.
You know the best thing about having a four-door Golf is? You can just get out the back.
Not the worst thing about having a Golf is
Sounds like a Golf.
it's windy seats.
Ah. Now. You're not making this half awkward.
After a 6'5".
Yeah.
4 doors full. So Shane does all the work. I'll tell you a quick thing about this Golf. This belongs to my uncle, who actually gave it to me. As it's kind of he's owned it since 1990. He's had it since 91. It only has 90,000 miles on it. It's 1.8 valve, and he kind of gave it to me because he wants to do a bit of work on it, and kind of said, like, look, you put your time and money into it, enjoy it, but I'm not out to sell it. So I actually haven't done anything with it, because I have the city race car there as well, which is still for sale. So if you do want it, description is below. But we're actually going to have a quick look at it now and see what's going on like below it. Is it badly rusty? Is it not? Yeah, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to give a quick overhaul and let's kind of see what the plan will be or what we can do to the old Honda. But it's in really good condition. He's had it again since 91. He's a good selection of cars, and he's just kind of doesn't have time to do anything to it. So at the moment I think there's like one H&R shock in it. I actually have H&R shocks to go into it. But yeah, we'll have a quick look at it and let's see what we have like is ahead of us, or if it's actually worth our while doing that.
Marty?
Yes.
We're not off to a good start. I just fell out when I put my hand underneath the jacket up. It's got car acne. This ain't good.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Then what did you find? That's rust off the car.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
And there's more to say with rust.
Huh? That's sealer, isn't it?
The little bit was rust off this ceiling.
That stuff's lighter than carbon fibre. Way forward.
What is it? No scratchy paint. Told you, it's just sealer.
Of course it's fucking heavy, it's metal.
No.
Well, it was
Oh, it
metal.
was metal.
It's heavy sealer, lads.
Metal and stuff.
Well, see the way where you're not jacking on the back, are you?
I'm going off. I need to lift the car up to get it where it needs to go. For some reason, that side of the car's way lower. Did you change one shock in this car, right?
No, this was just explaining that there's actually one H&R, brand new H&R shock in
Obviously
it.
this side.
Yes, I have three more to go.
So that's why that one underneath it. That side's lower.
Yeah.
than that side.
Yeah.
You need to lift that side up.
It's not a really good start. Mixture of sealer and rust and shit.
You hear crack this thing like
Sounds like I don't like this lift. It's actually proper. Right, I'm fucking wavy. That's a good start.
have a look around it when it's going up the inside.
That lift's just too loud to actually hear if the rust is falling through. At least the car's going up and not staying down.
What floor are we going to, Marty?
Well, I'm the penthouse suite, please. I'm a bit. Oh, what are you doing?
It's alright.
Hey, just
It is actually alright.
is it?
No, I wouldn't go underneath that car just yet.
It doesn't look bad at all.
Look,
Yeah.
where? Marty.
No, he did say one jacking point was bad. Oh, where did you
This
light?
one?
Yeah, he did say like the front driver's side.
That's going to need a bit of work.
Ah, that's only the jacking point going through the floor.
You pull it back down.
Okay.
Okay, so that's
skin though, is it?
going.
I said you could actually see that if we lift the carpet.
I'd say you probably wouldn't be too far off it. Well, that's fixable.
It's totally right off.
Anything else?
Yeah, use your. Here, I can't fit under this lift. Just
Just look at that.
just for a second, get the camera reference that how small this is.
There's Marty's issue. Our lift. Alright, we'll have a better look at that. Our lift doesn't go very high for Marty, but Barry, how are you getting on there?
Fine.
That's not an issue. And out. Now, Marty, if you could do the same, please.
Yeah, no problem.
There you go. Perfect.
I'll take this cover off first.
Right, so where are we looking for? Rust?
You said this side's lower.
Yeah.
I know, this is the one with the shock in it. This has the brand new H&R shock in it.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, you're gonna need to. Right, look, there's these ghetto. I like the style.
That's nice.
Right, well, we're starting.
Jubilee clip, hold look. Ah, yeah.
Right, let's actually do.
Do you know what that is? Look, that U-shape piece
Oh, is it?
is actually like a U-clamp for an exhaust that they've turned into a hanger for an exhaust. On a hanger on a hanger. Oh, that's
Right,
brilliant.
we'll start from the back and work our way forward, right?
Light saving here going on already.
It's alright.
It's not substantial though, is it?
No, it's a lovely shade of. Do you know what it looks like? Do you know what it looks like, Marty? Looks like
is, right.
the bottom of a boat. You know, like it has like barnacles and stuff on it. Like.
Barnacles, yeah.
Yeah.
It has
Under the sea.
All that is it's a history. It's like telling a story.
Yeah.
All this rust. Like look at these lovely. Let's see these brake units. Yeah, they're there.
They're there. Yeah.
Definitely brakes alright.
To be fair though, it's not like.
No, I thought
It's not falling apart, Rust.
What's this? Is this a brake? Come to your brakes? Fuel filter.
I'm gonna say that's something to do with
Fuel
fuel.
pump.
Oh, that's old school if it is.
Oh, yeah. Fuel pump is a lift pump on the top of the tank of these, I thought. But this could be older again.
Wait, first let's check if the thing's actually safe to be underneath.
Yeah, no,
It's
I did
alright.
that first. Sorry.
That's alright.
So we're actually not too bad.
No.
Brake line. No, fuel line's a brake line.
Show us your light.
Fuel line.
Yeah, alright.
That's alright, yeah.
Oh look, I know where the Jubilee clip went to hold the exhaust up, look.
Bing!
There it is.
Sorry. Like only petrol.
Like, if it's bad, you should be able to put your finger through
Yeah,
it.
that's not bad at all.
I'm gonna get a hammer and
Yeah, get
There's some sort of fancy shocks in the front.
Yeah.
They have name on it, I don't know.
Spax, look.
Are they?
Yeah, well, they were at one stage of their life.
Sportix or something.
Oh, Spax here. It's on this side.
I think somebody might just put a sticker on it.
Sport kit.
Okay.
what
That's
it
the
is.
sport kit.
So like, you
Oh,
kind of
it's
you'd
polished.
redo the old suspension anyway because she's fair rusty. But that's not expensive shit, man.
No.
It's only like the paint on the metal. That's, you know, paint can't rust really, but you know what I mean? That's
Yeah.
gone, whatever that is.
It's actually not corroded.
Yeah.
And these are like the G60 front bumpers on it as well.
Are they like standard, but I'm terrible with golfs, like so. What's the story with the lights? Are they? They're like black.
Oh, they're normally like just white or orange.
Okay.
So he's like smoked them out, took off his bumper. It's
Yeah.
actually a really cool story about this car. Is like he used to have it when he was like, I'm probably completely wrong here now, but he was fairly young. He used to DJ. And
Yeah.
This used to be like his work vehicle, and he used to get stopped all the time by the guards because it was a GTI. So you put a comfort line badge on the back to stop getting stopped.
And that worked.
Yeah. Like GTI wheels as well, and I'll go with it like.
Yeah.
But suppose what
TSWs, are they original
these
TSWs?
are genuine TSWs.
No way, remember TSWs used to be a thing back in the 90s, like
well, that's-
TSW Alpines.
This is exactly why. I think
Yeah.
we have the caps right now. But like you kind of like you'd obviously redo all the brakes. We have suspension there. Like you take off the arches really to yours. So realistically, it's the
That's
floor cam,
so our real issue is there. Okay.
which you told me about. It's a jacking point.
So that's not that bad
I'm sure, like definitely sure we can see that from there.
from the floor. Like even up here,
Like I kind of wanted to get an idea to make sure like
it's
that
worthwhile.
Actually strip out the interior to look for rust. That we're not wasting our time doing it.
Yeah.
That's sorry, Montreal. And we're not doing that. Like, whip it down there and we'll have a look at the engine bay.
Oh, it gets even better. Here, I have to show you how you let the. So the lift is very old. The lift is about 30 years old, so there's a knack to getting to come down. You have to kind of give it a jump start to get it going. I bought this chair for €1 in an auction.
Did you?
Best investment
Euro?
ever. Yeah, €1.
Including fees?
No, plus fees.
Oh, I
Plus fees,
got
excluding
stung.
fees.
What you do here? Oh,
Right, this is
what
proper.
the hell are you doing?
So you gotta see here.
The belt.
So that goes. Right, so what you gotta do is. This is probably fucking dodgy. Oh.
Hang on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nearly got it.
I'm working hard.
See, the problem here is when it goes, I don't know got it.
Well, it's on camera.
1, 2, 3. Nearly. 1, 2, 3. 3. No. 1, 2, 3. No. Tired saying 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck that. See, the other thing is, this hasn't been used in about 4 months, so. You need to be tight.
Oh, Jesus.
1, 2, 3. You're gonna make a fucking show. 1, 2, 3.
And that's why he's older and has more experience and knowledge and power.
No, I just freed it up for him. Ground floor, please.
Well, it is a good sign that the car made it up and made it back down.
It is.
So,
and it's a good sign that the lift is still working.
oh, yeah, whatever. Right.
Not working.
So what we have here is we'll get our torches here out. It's a basic standard Golf. 8 valve. Depending 16 valves as well as far as I know, but I think the 8 valves are meant to be more fun. So it's everything's pretty much bog standard on it. It has like fresh enough gear linkages. I remember that's something they said all the way back there. Do you know what I hate about Golfs? Like,
a
did
lot
they
of
really
pipes.
have to put these pipes and wires and shit
There's a
everywhere?
lot of
German
pipes.
efficiency, not great at a stead.
No,
But like,
it works, but it doesn't look the Almay West.
what do all the pipes do?
That's your clutch cable,
Okay.
big one. That's your coolant pipe.
That's a coolant pipe.
Over.
Oh,
Talk
okay,
about-
yeah.
That's another coolant pipe leading down there.
Is that an alarm box? Like,
Yeah, probably so.
Jesus, just could get a bigger one, like.
Techno. You can, it tells you how many litres you can hold, just in case you ever wanted to know.
Which is
4 litres.
4.
This.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it won't go back in the.
Yeah, but we didn't need to use any spanners to take it out either.
Alright. I'll have to revisit that one, so. But everything has a standard on it. It starts and stops when the battery's in. Imagine when that rain trail have a few experiments and stuff, because I think the wiring didn't go stress and caused it was
What?
a mess.
What do you reckon the air filter's like?
It's probably fresh because it's been sitting for years, unless it's a swell.
Well, it's cable tie closed, so. That means it stays closed.
That's a long life service. Yeah. Anyway, so we're finished here for tonight. All is good on the Golf. We actually are going to start doing a bit of work on it. The guys are also moving out of this wonderful shed soon, so there's going to be a big clear out, and God knows what we'll find. When I say we, I'm personally not cleaning.
You can just hold the camera.
I'll hold the camera and make videos.
Yeah, you
clean,
can video
cleaning.
all the really interesting stuff we find out in the
How
ground.
many weeks to race day? This is the more important thing.
Weeks?
Days.
2 months. No.
Oh, today's 24th.
Today's the 24th or something. So yeah, 2 months.
today.
Little less than 2 months till race 1 at Kirkistan. And
Kirkstown. Cool. So if you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button. Watched our last video, and yeah, share with your friends.
And if anyone could like donate a little stool so I could.
so take a feel. I'll bring it down here.
Then you have to like.
All right. Till next time.
See you later.
Bye.